Hi guys, Michael here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block explicit songs and podcasts on Spotify. On your mobile, you want to open Spotify and then tap on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here you're going to see settings and privacy. Tap on this and then you want to tap on content and display. Here you're going to see allow explicit content. You want to toggle this off. And here's what you can expect. Songs marked with E will be grayed out, unplayable and automatically skipped in your playlist. In some cases with console, you may need to verify your age to play explicit content, and you'll be able to label explicit content. On PC, when you open the Spotify app, you want to click on your profile. So if you're using a web browser, you want to make sure you find your profile at the top right corner of your screen or anywhere it is. Click on this and then you want to click on settings. Under settings here, you see explicit content. Here you'll be able to toggle it on and off. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to this channel and have the post notification turned on.